Hello friends, my name is Ravi and I am going to show you how to apply VLOOKUP using VBA. So how can we do that? In second tab, you can see here this is the ID and second tab the team name is available here. In first sheet, I have to bring it out on behalf of ID. So how can we do that? Basically, we apply VLOOKUP is equal to VLOOKUP. Lookup value should be A2, it means ID, comma, and then go in second tab and then we select A and B and press F4 for locking, and then in which column I have to bring? Second. So I have to write the second column index and then comma 0. 0 it means exact match, right? So with this formula we can bring here a small market, right? But using VBA, how can it possible? So using VBA, it is possible, and you need to press Alt plus F11 shortcut key and then insert module, right? And then you have to write here code. What code you should apply? So right then you need to write here sub. You can insert any name. Suppose that apply VLOOKUP, right? And then dim, first of all define the sheet name. So dim ws as worksheet and save ws equal to this workbook dot sheets sheet 1. I have defined the sheet name sheet 1. I am inserting here sheet 1, and then you should insert the you should find the last row. So ws.Range A1, not A1, A and Rows.Count. It will show the last row, right? And then bracket close and then in xlUp dot row. Now ws.Range B2 is equal to what? B2 is equal to B2 dot formula, because we have to insert the formula. How can we do that? Between double inverted comma you have to just copy this formula and write here formula, okay? And then we can direct fill last row. So last row we need to find here the last row, the same thing from B2, B3 and B3 dot copy and destination is equal to, again I am copying same thing, B3 to, not copy from B2 and then B3 to B and last row, right? And I'm just showing with the debugging mode F8, 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 F8. Then you can find the last row will be 31st. So we can find the 31st, right? Because this is the last row, and in xlUp will provide 31st row. till the last data is available. And then in formula, I have written 2 times formula, so I have to remove once, and then we have to press F8, 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 and then you can find out the all formula has been applied in all places till last two, right? So I think it will help most in your organization if you are working or somewhere and you need to save this file in Excel SM. It means micro enabled file. So you need to file, save as, browse, and macro enabled. Make sure this should be macro enabled workbook or by Excel binary workbook. Right. So macro enabled workbook I have saved and desktop I have selected and I have saved. So it is showing here the file is available. If you want to replace, then if you want to save as with the another file name, file 2, 3, something like that, file 3 I have saved, and then it's work. So how it will work? Then after that you need to insert the button. So insert, save, and then this button. So this button will help you to run. So how can we do that? This is the button I have selected and I am writing here run, run code. You can write here something, right? So run, then you can assign the macro which we have created, apply VLOOKUP, and then OK. And suppose that you don't have any formula, you had inserted this data and data is available in team name, then you can click once time run code and then wow, all formula is inserted here with the formula. So I think this will help a lot. Thank you so much. You can like, subscribe and share. That's all. Thank you.